Hi friends, here we are given three terms A, B, C. Right, these are 7th, 11th and 13th terms of an arithmetic progression. Now, these three, they are also three consecutive terms of a geometric progression. Then what is A by C? A, B, C are in geometric progression as well as these are 7th, 11th and 13th terms of an arithmetic progression, right? So if A is 7th term, what does that mean? A plus 11th term should be A plus 4D if D is the common difference, right? 8th term is A plus D, 9th is A plus 2D, 10th is A plus 3D, 11th is A plus 4D, right? 11 minus 7 is 4, A plus 4D should be 11th term. Similarly, A plus 6D should be 13th term. We are taking 7th term as A. Right. Now, these three, A plus 4D and A plus 6D are in geometric progression. What does that mean? The product of the first term and third term should be equal to square of the middle term. Right? Because these are in geometric progression. These are also in geometric progression. What does that mean? A plus 4D whole square should be equal to A into A plus 6D. What does that mean? A square plus 16D square plus 2 into A into 4D, which is 8AD equals A square plus 6AD. Right, this A square and this A square will get cancelled. We get 16D square equals 6AD minus 8AD, which is equal to minus 2AD. Again, D and D can cancel. So this becomes 1D will be left. 1D should be 8D equals, this 2 also we can cancel, right? 8D equals minus A, that means D equals minus A by 8. What is the D? D is this D, the common difference of this arithmetic progression. Now what we want? We want what is A by C, right? What is the ratio of the 7th term and 13th term, right? What is the ratio of 7th and 13th? A by A plus 6D, right? A by A plus 6D. And what is D? D also we figured out in terms of A, right? D is minus A by 8. If we substitute that, A by A plus 6 into minus A by 8, right? That is minus 6A by 8. That means A by 8 minus 8A minus 6A, which is 2A by 8, right? A and A will get cancelled. A, this 8 will go to the top. 8 by 2 equals 4. A by C is equal to 4. This is the correct answer. Right, guys? Very, very simple problem. Just that we should be able to frame very, very basic equations and know the basics of arithmetic and geometric progression. That the square of the middle term is equal to product of first and third terms. Right, guys? Thank you.